Hi everyone! Welcome to Airport English for Beginners. My name is Ava, and in today's video, you're going to learn common phrases and vocabulary for the airport, from checking in, going through security, to boarding your flight. If you are learning English and you will travel, this video is perfect for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos. Let's get started. Section 1. Before you go to the airport. When you're planning a flight, there are some useful sentences you should know. I have a flight to New York. My flight is on June 2nd at 5 o'clock. I need to check in online. I need to check in at the airport. I have one checked bag and one carry-on. Could I have a window seat, please? Here are some vocabulary words. Ticket, the piece of paper or electronic file that lets you travel. Passport, your official ID for international travel. Checked baggage or checked bag, the suitcase you hand to the airline. Carry-on, the bag you bring with you and keep in the airplane cabin. Now let's see a short dialogue.
Good afternoon. May I have your passport and ticket, please?
Good afternoon. Here are my passport and ticket.
Thank you. How many bags are you checking in today?
I'm checking one bag and I have one carry-on.
Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Very good. Here is your boarding pass. Your flight is at 5 p.m. and boarding will begin at gate 12 at 3:45. Have a nice flight.
Thank you very much. Repeat each line after me. Good afternoon. Here are my passport and ticket. I'm checking one bag and I have one carry-on. A window seat, please. Thank you very much. Great! Section 2. At the check-in counter. Vocabulary and phrases you'll see and hear.
Where are you flying to? Are you checking any bags? Please place your bag on the scale. Your flight leaves from gate 12. Boarding begins at 3:45.
Let's have another dialogue.
Hello, where are you flying today?
I'm flying to New York.
Are you checking any bags?
Yes, this suitcase.
Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
An aisle seat, please.
Here is your boarding pass. Your flight leaves from Terminal B, Gate 20A. Boarding will begin at 5 p.m. Please be at the gate at least 30 minutes early.
Thank you. Now I'll say each line slowly twice. Then you repeat. I'm flying to New York. I'm flying to New York. Yes, this suitcase. Yes, this suitcase. An aisle seat, please. An aisle seat, please. Thank you. Thank you. Excellent. Remember, always keep your boarding pass and passport ready. Section 3. Security and Immigration. Next, you go through security and if international immigration. Here are useful phrases.
Please place your bags on the conveyor belt. Remove your belt and shoes, please. Do you have any liquids in your bag? Your flight is now boarding.
Dialogue.
Please place your bag on the conveyor belt and step through the scanner.
Sure. Do I need to take out my laptop?
Yes, please take out your laptop and liquids, shoes and belt too.
Okay. What about my water bottle?
I'm sorry, it's too big. You can drink it or throw it away.
I'll throw it away.
Thank you. You may proceed.
Thanks. Practice this. Sure. Do I need to take out my laptop? Okay. What about my water bottle? I'll throw it away. Good. Tip. Speak clearly and politely. These phrases make the process smoother. Section 4. At the gate and boarding. Once you arrive at the gate area. Vocabulary. Gate, boarding pass, last call, jetway, seatbelt. Useful phrases. What gate is my flight departing from? Is the flight on time? Excuse me, where is gate 12? Dialogue. Excuse me, is flight 234 to New York still on time?
Yes, Flight 234 is on time. It's departing from Gate 15 and boarding will start in 10 minutes.
Thank you. Could you tell me where gate 15 is?
Sure. Walk straight ahead, take a left at the coffee shop, and you'll see Gate 15 on your right.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a good flight.
Now repeat after me slowly. Excuse me, is flight 234 to New York still on time? Thank you. Could you tell me where gate 15 is? Great, thank you very much. Excellent. When they say final boarding call, that means last chance to get on the plane. Section 5. On the airplane and arrival. On the airplane and after landing, these phrases are helpful. Could I have a blanket, please? What does the orange light mean? Where do I pick up my luggage? My bag is missing. Dialogue.
Welcome aboard. Would you like something to drink? We have coffee, tea, orange juice, and water.
I'll have a coffee, please. No sugar.
Certainly. Here you go.
Later. Excuse me, where do I pick up my bag?
Go to Carousel 7. Your flight number is listed on the screen.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now I'll say it once more slowly. I'll have a coffee, please. No sugar. Excuse me, where do I pick up my bag? Good! Arrival tip. Check the screens. Make sure you go to the right carousel. Don't forget your suitcase. Section 6. Review and practice. Let's review the key phrases from each part. I'm checking one bag and one carry-on.
Would you prefer a window seat or an aisle seat?
Please place your bag on the conveyor belt. Your flight is now boarding.
Where do I pick up my luggage? Now it's your turn. I will say a phrase, then you repeat after me. I'm checking one bag. Could I have a window seat, please? Excuse me. Where is gate 17? Do I need to remove my laptop? My bag is missing. Great job! Bonus practice. Try using these phrases in your own sentences about your next trip. Section 7. Airport English Quiz. What do you say at the check-in counter when you want to give your bag to the airline? A. I'd like to check in my bag. B. I'd like to check out my bag. C. I'd like to pick up my bag. The correct answer is A. I'd like to check in my bag. What does carry-on bag mean? A. A bag you leave at the airport. B. A bag you keep with you on the plane. C. A bag that the airline keeps for you. The correct answer is B. A bag you keep with you on the plane. What does the airport phrase boarding begins at 3:45 mean? A. You can get on the plane starting at 3:45. B. The flight takes off at 3:45. C. You must arrive at the airport at 3:45. The correct answer is A. You can get on the plane starting at 3:45. What should you do when the security officer says, "Please remove your laptop and liquids"? A. Put them in your suitcase. B. Throw them away. C. Take them out of your bag for screening. The correct answer is C. Take them out of your bag for screening. When the gate agent says, "Final boarding call," what should you do? A. Sit down and relax. B. Go to the cafe. C. Go to the gate immediately. The correct answer is C. Go to the gate immediately. If the flight attendant says, "Would you like something to drink?" how can you answer politely? A. No, I don't. B. I'll have some coffee, please. C. Give me water. The correct answer is B. I'll have some coffee, please. Where can you find your luggage after your flight? A. Security checkpoint. B. Carousel in the baggage claim area. C. Duty-free shop. The correct answer is B. Carousel in the baggage claim area. What do you show at the boarding gate before entering the plane? A. Your boarding pass and passport. B. Your luggage tag. C. Your receipt. The correct answer is A. Your boarding pass and passport. Which phrase is polite to ask for help? A. Hey, where's my gate? B. Gate 12, where? C. Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 12 is? The correct answer is C. Excuse me, could you tell me where gate 12 is? What does checked bag mean? A. A bag you carry with you. B. A bag you give to the airline to put in the airplane's cargo area. C. A bag that security checked. The correct answer is B. A bag you give to the airline to put in the airplane's cargo area. Fill in the blanks. Complete each sentence with the correct word or phrase. Please place your bag on the belt. The correct phrase is conveyor belt. Would you like a seat or an aisle seat? The correct phrase is window seat. My flight leaves from 12. The correct phrase is Gate 12. Your flight is now. Please proceed to the gate. The correct phrase is, your flight is now boarding. Thanks for watching today's lesson on Airport English for Beginners. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share with a friend who's learning English. In the next video, we'll look at Restaurant English for Beginners. So stay tuned. Until next time, safe travels and happy learning. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our new videos. And check out our PDF materials. Links in the description. Thanks for watching.